Hey, welcome back to Audio Freak, guys. This is your boy Tong, and in this video, I want to show you guys how you can find the key of a song or a beat or a sample or whatever it is that you're working on. And it doesn't take a lot of music theory, but it does take a little bit of time and effort. And I find that the more you use this technique, the better your mind gets used to it, and you'll be able to familiarize yourself with the scales, and it becomes a lot easier the more you use it. So first thing I want to do is start off is add a grand piano or a piano virtual instrument in Pro Tools, and I just use the mini grand. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick an octave. I'm going to pick an octave from this C to this C. So all these keys right here in just one octave, I'm going to go through each one and play the key. And unless you're tone deaf, you'll be able to find which keys don't work. If they don't work, forget them, and try to remember the keys that do work while you're playing your sample or your beat or your song. And what we're going to do is make a note of the keys that do work, and we're going to find the scale. So let's go ahead and play it and go through the keys. Alright, so we know for sure that these three don't work because I just played them and they sound terrible going along with this. But we do know this works, so that's, So we know these two keys work, these three do not. So we know this, and this work, right? This does not work. So that works. All right, so we know this, and this work. All right, so I think we got it here. Within this octave, these work. We know that C doesn't work, so C doesn't work. So you can, whatever works in this octave is going to work in this octave. Whatever doesn't work in this octave is not going to work in this octave. So that's why I say pick one octave and do it. So what we're going to do is go to this website here, pianoscales.org, and what we're going to do is find the keys that we just matched. So this looks almost like it works, but we know that this key does not work in it, so that's out. All right, so this one is it. It's F sharp major. So yeah, this is it. So F sharp major is it. And also another thing, if you want to know if it's going to be in a major or minor, usually a good guideline is if it's sad, if it's dark and it's emotional, it's usually a minor scale. And if it's happy, jolly, energetic, kind of like cheerful, it's going to be a major scale. It's a general guideline. And so because this song is kind of sad and depressing, it's gonna be in a minor scale. So F sharp major might not work with this. So what I would say is find the relative minor. And here's an easy way to find the relative minor. It's so it's F sharp major. So you're gonna go down three semitones, and you're gonna find the minor. 1, 2, 3. So this key is the relative minor. So it is D sharp or E flat. The black key that's above D, that's D sharp. The black key that's below E is E flat. So if it's a black key, below the white key, that means it's a flat. If it's above, that means it's a sharp. That's a little music theory tip for you guys. So it's E flat minor. So it's the same, and this is the crazy thing. E flat minor is the same exact keys as F sharp major. So they're the same keys, it's just the minor scale versus the major scale. And I know that might sound a little confusing, but that's just the way it is. So since it's a minor scale, it's E flat minor. Same scale.